How to hide Siri shortcut notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. The Shortcuts app is a powerful tool that allows users to automate tasks and create personalized workflows. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automation in the middle. From here, you can view and create automations to make shortcuts run automatically. Tap on any automation from here. You can choose when to run it. For example, select Run Immediately. Here, turn off the Notify when Run switch is shown. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can go back and turn on this switch whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily hide Siri shortcut notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.